Hi everyone, welcome back to Palette. First of all, thank you all for showering your love. I really cherish your likes and comments. Before we begin, please accept my wishes for a healthy, happy and a prosperous new year. Happy 2021. I just want to share one of the pleasant surprise from my little garden with you all today. That sight was sufficient for igniting my artistic mind. Let's get into the video. This is the pretty little jewel I got to see in the morning of 1st Jan. It's a New Year gift from nature. This one is ripened and you can see a lot of baby strawberries around the plant. So, we'll paint strawberries today. Even though it appears to be a very complex subject, all these seeds and reflects around each one, step-by-step technique of painting allows you to get simplified method of strawberry painting. Acrylic is a good medium which gives the rich red color for this particular painting. I have taken some acrylic colors on palette and other necessary materials needed for the painting. I choose to paint on a canvas. I have 12 by 8 inch canvas here. You can try on any base which you wish to have. First we are going to color the background. After the base coat, sketch the main objects. I am planning to make 2 strawberries and some leaves around it. As I said earlier, we need not to worry about the seeds in the beginning. Just apply the basic tones first, then gradually we have to build on the details. Beginners have to practice more to get to the perfect final output. If you find any difficulties while practicing, mention that in the comment section. It's really fun to paint something and reach that final brush stroke. It's a kind of meditational task. It's a God-gifted talent. But of course, with regular practice, you can learn the skill. So keep practicing and include this as one of your New Year resolution. Thank you all for watching. If you like the video, like, comment and subscribe to my channel. See you soon with yet another new video. Until then, bye and happy painting.